Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alya Sofia Binti Amerrudin and I'm from KCS 1103C. So today I'm gonna do my database demonstration. First of all, we connect to our database which name shop. So first connect to shop. And they already connect. So my URD consists of 8 entities. So there's 8 tables in my database. In short, I'll just show you the 3 tables. So first of all, I would like to share with you my pet table. Select from pet. Yeah, as you can see, the pet have PID, PName, birth date, PSEX, weight, birth type, birth location, type, and vaccination status. And then I'm show you the medical record table. We use the same SQL statement. Select from medical record. As you can see, medical record have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attributes with ID, type disease, treatment, duration, dosage, and PID. PID act as a foreign key in medical record table. Next, we select from feeding schedule. As you can see here, PID also act as a foreign key at feeding schedule table. So now I'll show you the table that have a PKFK, which also called composite key. In my database, table living is the table that have PKFK. So we select from living. As you can see, there's attribute PID and hcode which act as a PKFK in this table. PID is a primary key at its own table, and hcode also primary key at its own table. So basically, composite key is a combination of a primary key of more than one attribute. Okay, so next I'll show you how you update data in your table. In case let's say you want to change this 8:30 to 10:30, so we use the update SQL command, which is update feeding schedule, our table name, set fs time equal to 10:30. This is what we want to change, where we have to put condition where fs underscore id equal to f07. Then it will change the f07 data. Okay, let's see. Feeding schedule. As you can see here, 8:30, and then we already update it, changed to 10:30. Let's say you want to delete all this row, f07 rows, so we use the SQL statement delete from feeding schedule, and then we put the condition where fs underscore id equal to f07. So it will delete the row of f07. And you see again, select from feeding schedule. As you can see, there's no f07 rows because it's already deleted. Okay, next we proceed to the simple query. Let's say I want to list a name, date of birth, and also pet type of male pet. So basically the SQL statement is select like this, select p name, p birthday, p type from pet, where P sex equal to M. This is the condition. So the output is only male pet. Okay, next we proceed to retrieving data from multiple tables or join query. Basically, this multiple tables is when you want to retrieve data from multiple table. For example, I want to retrieve data from table pet and also medical record. So I want the pet number, pet name, medical number, type of disease of pets that have ringworm disease. So basically, this is the SQL statement. This PID and PNAME is from pet table. This two is from medical records table. So our condition is this one equal to ringworm because we want to retrieve data that have ringworm disease. So we enter and the output is like this. Okay, so next we proceed to the scalar function and arithmetic. So basically, since this question does not involve any salary or any arithmetic that we can do, but this question do have a birth date. So let's say I want to retrieve pet number, pet name, pet sex, pet date of birth of pet that birth after 1 January 2017. So basically, like this is the SQL statement. We use this birthday greater or equal 2017 1 and 1, which is 1 January 2017. So see here, this is the output that pet that birth after 1 January of 2017. Next, we proceed to column function and grouping. Let's say I want to list the branch store code with more than one employee, which include a count statement that we use. For example, this is the SQL statement. Select as code, count as count. This is what we want to name of the column. From B employee group by having count greater than 1 because we want to list the branch store code that have more than 1 employee. So enter. So this output says that B02 and B01 have more than 1 employee. Okay, last but not least, the subquery. As I mentioned before, this question does not involve any salary that we can calculate more, but this question do have the dosage that received by the pet. So let's say I want to list the details of pet that have minimum dosage, that receive minimum dosage. So this is the SQL statement. Select medical number, PID, M treatment, M dosage from medical record, where this is a condition. Select minimum because I want the pet that have minimum dosage from medical record. So this is the output. As you can see, pet ID 003 have minimum dosage received. I think that's all for my database demonstration. Thank you very much.